sige. Now we're okay now. My lovely feet. My feet. Jessica's big feet. It means na mas matagat ako sa'yo. Ikaw pa na.
No.
Lusa talaga yaya. This is the mall. Our mall. SM South Mall. Closing time. All for you. And Pizza Hut. So, tawa na ako sa Pizza Hut. Oh.
Tapos pizza lang, wala namang iba.
Wala lang. Pizza.
Pangit naman yung popcorn na singit sa lipi.
Yeah. Nasa singit sa lipi.
Bago lang to.
Ay, churros.
Churros city.
Yeah.
Ano siya? Ay, hotdog.
Dami, look.
Hotdog
Bakit
siya.
yun?
Hotdog.
Okay. Cotton candy. It's bad for my teeth. Aldrin, no? Aldrin! Aldrin, hello. Nag-video ko. Hotdog, wait. Body shop. The shop for body. You know, bibingkahan. It's a traditional Christmas delight. I mean, dessert or something like that. Merienda, yeah. Cake or something like rice cake. Yeah, it's a rice cake. KFC, the traditional Jollibee, Filipino food. Yeah.
Laking Jollibee ako.
Yes. What? Laking ano ka?
Jollibee ako.
Laking Jollibee ako. Hi, Leo, ikaw Labi. Sabi mo, say that. Laking Jollibee ako.
Tama, makto nga yun.
Ako boy.
Ay, Makdo eh. It's unfair. Ang daya talaga. Yan. And then, malapit na kami. We're near at the exit.
Inventory. Pwede yun sa akin actually kasi
It's office work yun eh.
office work kasi at the same time, ang trabaho ko talaga is tulad nun yung Excel,
Yeah, Excel, Access, or something like that. Yeah, SQL and everything.
itawag inventory.
Cuba. What Cuba means? Cuba. What Cuba means for you? Churba or Chubare. It's something that a word that you can feel it. I mean, you know that's the word. You know that no. You know that's the word, but you can't spell it. I mean, you can say it.
Alam mo sa yung supermarket, hindi na nipindihan ng Kiamoy si Kenny.
Kiamoy. Jessica? Oh, pwede. Yeah, pwede.
Pero, basta inventory, how